I think it's really rare to find such a beacon for the arts right in the middle of a university campus.
Whether you're sitting in a seat watching or whether you're actually on the stage, the opportunity to see things that are not otherwise available in the city.
Over 40 years, there's been a lot of different events on that stage.
For a lot of people, they choose to go to Taliesin just because it feels like there's an actual community here. You're not just going to be part of like a big business.
We put on such a diverse programme of events, from screenings to live music to talks, and we're always trying new things and we're not afraid to try new things.
So I think it's very important to have like these community spaces like Taliesin where artists can showcase what they do, also network and then work together and like foster and build that sense of community.
So you only see the Taliesin from the outside, and you know, all I knew was that it was a cinema on campus, and I was like, oh, that's cool. But then actually there's a lot more to it.
I had no idea how big the space was. It was, yeah, it's like a TARDIS, isn't it?
Felly mae Canolfan y Celfyddydau wedi enwi ar ôl y bardd o'r 6eg ganrif Taliesin. Felly dim syndod bod Canolfan Gelfyddydol fel hyn yn dwy'n enw bardd oedd mor enwog ac yn rhan o ddiwylliant a hanes pwysig Cymru.
I just started work at Taliesin when it first opened, so I've been here from the beginning. When I first started, we had an opening ceremony, and I quite like my jazz music, so one of the acts at the time was Dave Brubeck. And that sticks in my mind, so it was great to see Dave Brubeck playing Take 5 on our brand new Steinway concert grand piano.
It was a state-of-the-art building with wonderful facilities and tremendous prospects. That's how I would describe it. And I thought, boy, this is happening. We've got an art centre in Swansea that's attached to the university. This is fantastic.
I came here first with the West Glamorgan Youth Theatre Company. Taliesin was helpful to the young people because it's such a great space to work in. Even if you've only got a few members of audience, it doesn't feel an empty space, and it's a really nice, warm atmosphere. Yes, Taliesin has really good facilities, but it's more about an ambience. It's something about the space that's welcoming.
Well, my first experience of Taliesin was at the age of 15 as a member of the West Glamorgan Youth Theatre. I designed a set for production and come into a professional theatre for the first time, and having that created and put on stage was an amazing experience which led to me training as a set designer.
Performances on the stage that have made me cry, plays, music, cinema. There's just been an awful lot that I've seen that I thought was completely outstanding. And there are some national theatre companies, people engaged in the business, who started off here.
At any stage in like people's creative development or their lives, they can come along to the Taliesin and feel like they're welcome there and engage with the projects that we've got going on here.
So I no interest in poetry, but when I did turn up, I was really shocked how interesting it was, and I was really hooked in. It was really captivating, it was really interesting, which I'd never thought I would be into.
The filmmaking for me is probably really, you know, the highlight. I think just being able to make films about local stories and give a platform to some of those hidden histories of the local area and to meet new people is really exciting to me. There's just so many interesting people in our city, and being able to find out more about them is a real privilege, and I think everyone that takes part in these projects feels the same. You just find out so much about where you live. And I think for a student, if you're interested in the city that you've moved to and you want to find out more about the people and the history and the wildlife, and you know, this is a great way to do that.
Yeah, we teach filmmaking, so actual working with the camera stuff and then post-production editing, and yeah, run filmmaking workshops with the purpose of teaching mostly documentary kind of filmmaking, so everyone can kind of learn the basics and start feeling comfortable telling stories on camera. So I think it's very important to have like these community spaces like Taliesin, where artists can showcase what they do, also network, and then work together and like I say, like foster and build that sense of community.
For that, even in my class, many people that still don't know that there are so many things happening in Taliesin.
Just being able to go into my classes, into my lectures, and know that what they're talking about, I already understand it because I've already learnt how to do it. If I wasn't doing this, I'd be being creative by myself, which isn't necessarily helpful in terms of socialisation.
If you're open to trying new things and you're interested in broadening your horizons and finding out more about art and culture in Swansea, this is definitely a really cool place to start.
I see Taliesin go from strength to strength really. I say it's got a real good reputation within the arts community in Wales and it's well respected, so yeah, I don't see why that should change, to be honest.
Taliesin might help because it's providing like with free workshops, so it might help for you to find your own path.
Is that it's the artists that drive the regeneration, it's the culture that drives the regeneration. If you create that atmosphere, that buzz within the city, that Swansea's a place to be, it's a fantastic place to be, then more people will want to come here.
It's really important that we try to make sure that the offer is right and that people want to come and support us as well, and you know, we become a community together.
Well, long live the arts. That's my vision, in whatever way they can be conveyed and portrayed.
Come to Taliesin, try something. If you love it, you never know where it could lead you.